Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to make iPhone screen not light up when receiving text. The first thing you need to do is open settings. Once in settings, you are going to select notifications. Then you are going to scroll down until you see messages. You are going to select messages. Then right where you see alerts, you are going to tap on lock screen. You are also going to tap on notification center and banners. So you want to toggle all of those off. Then you are going to scroll down to lock screen preview. And right where you see show previews, you are going to tap on that. And you are going to select never. And that's it. Now whenever you receive a text message or iMessage, your screen will not light up.